Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Google Meet video conferences to events that you have created. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now scroll down till you find the settings section, click on it, tap on general, scroll down till you find add video conferencing. Now if you tap on your email address, you will turn on this function, meaning that you will add Google Meet video conferences automatically to the events that you have created. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.